Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So you may have heard a lot about Samsung S22 series, since everyone is talking about that. But here in this video, let's take a look at what Tab S8 lineup has to offer. Well, this guy shared every bit of detail about Galaxy S22 and Galaxy Tab S8 series, potentially ending the excitement for Samsung's Unpacked event that's scheduled for February 9th. The only thing that's left now is the official pricing and availability information. We won't be surprised if even that leaks out before the event. Anyways, without waiting anymore, let's get straight to these leaked images and videos and get to know these tablets. Starting with the vanilla Tab S8 model, we get to see an 11-inch 2560 by 1600 pixel LTPS LCD panel. It's better than standard LCD and comes with more true-to-life pictures with low power consumption. This display also gets 120Hz refresh rate for smooth operation. For cameras, the tablet comes with dual rear cameras of 13+6 megapixel along with flash and a 12 megapixel front snapper. When it comes to performance, it's set to come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. You'll also find support for S Pen with pressure sensitivity of 4096 levels, but the latency for vanilla model hasn't been improved. It will be 6.2 milliseconds, while the Ultra model will get the latency of 2.8 millisecond, which is just insane. Anyways, this tablet will come with 3 mics for clear audio and better noise cancellation, making it perfect for work or study from home. Even it comes with quad speakers for crisp, clear audio output. There are plethora of software improvements as well, such as flexibility layouts, drag and split, quick share, companion mode, continue apps on other devices and much more. You will find these in every Tab S8 model, so I won't be repeating it when we get to other models. As for battery, it will get 8000 mAh cell, but we are still unaware if we will get the charging brick inside the box, but the chances are slim. And finally, other details include Wi-Fi, LTE and 5G network support, along with support for SD card for memory expansion. As for Tab S8 Plus model, expect a 12.4-inch AMOLED panel with 2800 by 1752 pixels and 120Hz refresh rate. Other than this, the only other difference is the battery capacity, which is 10,090 mAh. Rest of the specs will be same, right from camera to processor to number of mic and S Pen. So basically, it's a larger tablet with better display and battery. Now for the final tablet that everyone is eagerly waiting for, the Tab S8 Ultra. This is a beast of a tablet with the display that measures 14.6 inch with 2960 by 1848 pixels, Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate panel, and has the slimmest bezels of all the tablets. And by now you know that it has notch for housing front cameras, but to be frank, I don't think it comes in the way of consuming media, playing games or while working. Samsung might even provide a software solution to hide the notch. And while we are on the topic of notch, let's take a look at the cameras. It houses two 12 megapixel units on the front, one wide and one ultra wide, and 2 units on the rear of 13+6 megapixel along with flash. For S Pen, as I said before, it will get a latency of 2.8 milliseconds with a pressure sensitivity of 4096 levels and gets air action support, which is hardly a surprise. When it comes to performance, it's not that different from the rest of the models, but this device does get few more memory options of 8 plus 128, 12 plus 256 and 16 plus 512 gigs. As for battery, it will sport an 11,200 mAh battery and has Wi-Fi, LTE and 5G for connectivity. The rest of the specs are similar, and one more thing before we finish our video, all the models in this lineup will get Samsung DeX, a way to use the tablet in PC mode. So that pretty much covers everything that we know. If you like this video and want more such videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.